It stands in downtown Syracuse, yet attorneys had to be in Rochester today to argue over the Christopher Columbus statue.
It's home to this region's appellate justices, where the panel is the latest to hear this 3-year-old case. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan tells us what happened.
Adding to the anticipation, it was the last case called.
Columbus Monument Corporation versus the City of Syracuse. Presiding Justice Whalen and Justice Greenwood are recused.
2 judges took themselves off, including local judge Donald Greenwood. Another judge was brought in, resulting in a panel of 4 hearing from both sides.
Both the property involved and the statue involved are property of the City of Syracuse, so they have the absolute authority to make decisions regarding where it's going to be placed.
Even if private money has gone toward that in the past.
That's correct.
This debate isn't if Columbus is offensive or honorable, it's whether the law allows the city to take the statue down.
So it started with protections that decisions the city made over the past 90 years, but the biggest thing was the contract that it signed with the state in the 90s when the statue was renovated for the quincentennial in 1992, which obligates the city to maintain the statue for its 23 years or its useful life, whichever's longer.
Another point of contention, because the plan isn't final, including where the statue goes and what goes in its place, the city argues there can't be a lawsuit.
The court has to know what it's actually ruling on, and if there's any part of the administrative process that could change the outcome, then the case is premature.
It sounds like you're under the belief that what you've heard from Mayor Walsh is a decision.
Well, he made a decision. He said it. How many times has he said it? He said he wants to take the statue off.
The appellate division is scheduled into monthly terms. This one ends at the end of next week, which means the decision could be expected 2 weeks after that, on April 28th. In Rochester, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.
And that April 28th date would be the earliest decision day, but it may take weeks longer. In a statement today, the mayor says his attorney demonstrated why the lower court erred in ruling that the mayor may not exercise his statutory duty to determine what symbols, art, and monuments are displayed on city property to best represent the entire city population.